Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. I received my Scrapping Cottage order today. I ordered some cottage cuts from their Memorial Day sale. So I want to share with you all what I picked up. It's pretty, I got a lot because I had a lot of things on my list. I had wrote a list out of some things that I was missing. So I kind of picked up a lot. So let me share with you all what I got. I'm going to go ahead and break the seal. Okay. It's wrapped in another bag. So it's kind of a lot, so I'm just going to get started. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. So I picked up the nested stitched eyelet square set, the nested stitched doily set, the nested stitch scallop circle set, nested stitched scallop square set, the double stitch square set. These were really good prices. The nested stitched eyelet oval. I didn't have a whole bunch of baby embellishments, so I ordered some the last time I did a mini album, but I wanted to get some more, so I got the onesie mini, the diaper pins mini. I picked up the Made with Love phrase. I got the Bible with lilies. I got a unicorn kitty for my niece. A camping trailer. And I got the iron stand with plants. This is from their new release. I got the spring butterfly too. I like that. I got the spring butterfly 1. The spring butterfly 3. I picked up the movie night and ticket. So pretty. Oh, that ticket is really tiny. It's okay. It'll make a nice adornment. So autumn tree with swing. I got the movie camera. The clapboard. Baking cookies. The rabbit. The squirrel. The little owl. The Santa I have this somewhere, but I couldn't find it. So, yeah, I don't know what I did with it. So I repurchased it. The Bow Mini. I got the unicorn cupcake again for my niece. The Magic Dragon. I picked up the yogurt and fruit. The coffee and donuts. The coffee pot and toaster. It's a nice size also. I picked up the stroller mini. The dogwood branch. The duck pull toy mini. The baby carrier mini. The baby bottle mini. The baby carriage mini. The magical wizard. And the flower bouquet jar. The stitched jars. Those are nice sizes. I picked up the knight. The Santa peeker. I have a lot of their peekers, but I didn't have the Santa for some reason. I picked up the Fancy Pocket Plus, the Nested Wacky Stitched Oval Set. Sorry about the glare, guys. The Nested Wacky Stitched Circle Set. The Nested Wacky Stitched Square Set. The Nested Stitched Scallop Rectangle Set. And finally, the Nested Stitched Scallop Oval Set. Now, I picked these up because I make a lot of mini albums and I want to have cohesion across the board when I do the projects. It makes it all, to me, look a little unified. So, yeah, that's why I picked up the basics. And I try to do those in groups so that if I'm creating with a particular brand, I stick to that brand. So yeah, that's what I picked up from the Cottage Cuts, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.